How's it going? This one here you might have saw on my video time-lapse of the sketch and ink, but I thought, well, I didn't want to sit on the computer. I was vectorizing it a bit, and I'll do that later, but I was trying to look for an app. I have an Android phone, so I started looking, and so far I found Sketchbook here, which 4-star out of 531,000 reviews. It's got a lot of different features and things you can do. Color palettes, different brushes. This is an example of a digital painting. It's pretty cool. I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to give it a go and see what I can do with it so that I don't always have to be sitting at a computer all the time. Upon opening the application, you can select your brushes. There's a color wheel. You can set a precision, predictive stroke. So you can set the level of it and magnetize it so that when you're pulling, it'll go closer to the line that you drew, which is pretty cool. I was fooling around with that. Here's your layer palette. Open this one up just from this window up here. I just went to import files and then imported it in, and then I just adjusted the opacity and the layers. When you click it, it'll give you a bunch of options. So then I just added a new layer, like in a Photoshop or any of those programs. And then I'm like, well, let's test this out. So I selected a brush and then you 2-finger pinch to zoom in. And I was like, oh, I'm on the locked layer. Whoops. It's actually working really well. I like this application. You can undo if you don't like. So definitely going to be playing around with this a lot because I don't like sitting at my computer all the time.
Exactly.
And then you can use a fill tool. I'll just show you quickly here, this little thing. So I'm going to shut that other layer off, and there I have it all digital, which is pretty freaking cool. So now I want to see and test if the magenta kind of, let's see, go cool magenta. And then I'm going to select the hair fill. And I'm going to go nice. Nice. And then I'm going to select a nice purple. Or you can move around here. This is really cool. I like this. Okay, let's go to put some gold. I love gold. Oops, it looks kind of cool though. There. Alright. There you go. That's pretty cool. I like it. And then I'll turn on this layer. And then what I'll do is go back to that layer. And then I'll just marker in my writing. Just want black, yeah. So you can just tap there. Cool. Yeah. The writing works very well even without the predictive one. Perfect for what I'm going to use it for. I can make quick drawings, digitize them real quick, and now I can add the texture in Photoshop and fool around. But definitely interesting. Go try Sketchbook app out. I give it 5-star rating for sure. Indeed. Super impressed with this application. So yeah, go check it out if you're a Google user, Android user, and fool around with it. Just have some fun. Peace.